Hey guys, welcome to electronicsinnovation.com. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create a thing in AWS IoT Core, generating certificates and policy for the same thing. So without wasting time, let's get started. Creating a thing in the AWS, generating a certificate and attaching a policy to it. Setting up the AWS environment for the IoT core devices is pretty simple. Visit the AWS Management Console page. Search for IoT core in the Find Services search bar of Amazon Services. Click on the IoT core that will be redirected to the Amazon IoT Console page. On the left navigation pane, click on Manage tab. Go for Register a thing. Click on Create a single thing. Give your thing name here, whatever you want. Click on the Next. Click on Create Certificate. Once the certificates are created successfully, choose Download for your certificate. Similarly, choose Download for your private key and choose Download for root CA certificate. It will redirect to the another tab where you have to choose RSA 2048-bit key Amazon root CA1 and download the certificate as shown here. Come back to the AWS IoT page and click on Activate and then click on Done. So here you have successfully created certificate. Now go for Secure tab and click on Policy section. Click on Create. Give your policy name. For action and resource ARN, enter star. This action allows your device to perform all AWS IoT actions on all AWS IoT resources. Under Effect, choose Allow and then choose Create. Once the policy is successfully created, click on the certificates, click on the three dots which is showing here and then go for a attach policy. A pop-up will be open showing all your policies created. Choose the right policy and attach to that particular certificate. That's it. Here we have created a thing, a certificate and attached a policy to it. Thank you for watching.